topic is rational numbers. Now, what are rational numbers? Before starting with rational number, let us quickly revise what are natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. You all know that natural numbers are counting numbers which starts from 1, 2, 3 and so on. And when you add 0 to the set of natural numbers, that set of numbers is called as whole numbers. And integers are nothing but negative numbers and whole numbers, right? A set of negative numbers and whole numbers. Now, what are rational numbers and why we need to learn rational numbers? Take an example of a pizza. When you divide that pizza into two parts, right? Pizza is a whole, and when you divide it into two parts, you can write it as 1 by 2. Right, so what is this 1 by 2? Because it does not fit into the definition of natural numbers, whole numbers or integers. So this 1 by 2, we don't know where to put it, in which set we have to put it, right? So for that, the new set of numbers was developed, that is rational numbers, right? So the word rational arises from the term ratio. You have already learned this in your previous classes. What is ratio? You all know ratio can be written as, this is an example. You can see that I have written 4:5. Now 4:5 can be written in the fraction form, that is 4 upon 5. It means that out of 5, 4 parts, right? So here 4 is numerator and 5 is denominator, and 4 and 5 are natural numbers. So what are rational numbers? Rational number is defined as a number that can be expressed as P upon Q, where Q is not equal to 0 and P and Q are integers.